If you're anything like me, you're probably trying to juggle a very chaotic Google Calendar filled with article deadlines, submission reminders, and call for papers closing dates. However, this strenuous journey comes with its allies. Allow me to formally introduce you to 2 academic tools that can help you with your research process, Logically.app and QuillBot. In this video, I'll break down both tools for which will actually save you time, keep your research organized, and improve your writing. So let's get into it. Let's first start off by looking into Logically. So what exactly is Logically? As you can see here, Logically is an AI-powered workspace designed to help you research, cite, and write faster with AI. It pulls everything into one clean space for finding credible sources, organizing references, annotating PDFs, and even drafting papers. So here are Logically's main features. So number 1, we have the AI document writer. Logically can keep your ideas flowing and your references in check. It can build your outline from scratch. It helps you polish every paragraph with its AI commands and even suggests what to write next using real, relevant citations from your library or external research databases. Next is the AI research assistant. Whether it's the PDFs in your library, over 200 million articles via Semantic Scholar, or fresh research from the web, Logically finds what you need, all with accurate citation. Next is its reference manager, so you can upload PDF, docs, EPUB, URLs, TXT files, and so much more, and organize them with folders and color-coded tags. And lastly is its file annotator. You can highlight important text, add comments, drop sticky notes, and highlight areas all without leaving your document. So if you're stuck on a dense paragraph or confusing graph, you can ask AI to clarify, summarize, and explain it so you can keep moving forward. Now that we have Logic out of the way, what is QuillBot? Its strengths lie in quick edits and content simplification. So if you're writing emails, short articles, editorials, or need help summarizing heavy textbook wordings, QuillBot is a player you want at your side. Here are some main features that can help you guide through your academic journey. We have the paraphraser, which simplifies any complicated text, plagiarism checker, so detects instances of plagiarism, AI chat, an AI research assistant that can help look for specific information or brainstorm ideas. We have the grammar checker, enhancing sentence structure and writing style, summarization tool, helping users generate high quality summaries, translator, being able to translate work, citation generating citations, AI detector, and QuillBot Flow, which is a writing workspace for researchers enhanced with AI-powered search tools. So now that we have a little overview of the two, let's get into a detailed side-by-side comparison of the tools. Today, I'm going to be testing the topic mental health challenges for medical students. And with this topic, here is how both tools handled the chaos, and we're going to start with discovering research papers. Opening the Logically AI Research Assistant, I switched to Semantic Scholar mode and typed in my main research question: what are the key mental health challenges faced by medical students? Within minutes, it mapped out the major stressors, coping mechanisms, and systemic pressures, complete with inline citations I could actually follow. I could actually add the sources to my reference library in just a couple of clicks. I fed the same question into QuillBot's research support. Consisted of an AI chatbot that searches websites to help find academic sources, general info, and book sources on any given topic. It helped me find books on med students' mental health, giving me good starting points and links to full text PDFs. So it was a great start, although QuillBot didn't provide any inline citations, so I had to manually skim through those books to get to the relevant points. Overall, it did a great job of helping me find research materials and books. Next, let's go on to managing references comparison. QuillBot has something called QuillBot Flow, and it equipped me with a basic reference manager that allowed me to add sources directly from the internet and URLs. QuillBot offers a citation generator that supports multiple citation styles, but here's the catch: that they aren't integrated all that well, and I had to manually edit most of them. Another issue for me personally was that QuillBot does not support Blue Book citation style, so I had to repeatedly cross-check my format with other citation managers to stay accurate. And on top of this, there was no feature to auto-populate a bibliography. I had to make a separate draft to keep track of my references. adding a step to my academic research instead of maximizing my productivity. So while QuillBot allowed me to arrange my sources, I couldn't totally rely on QuillBot citation generator for polished publication-ready citations. On the contrary, Logically's reference manager took me a few steps forward. The references I added from my semantic scholar search were actually already sitting neatly in my library with the PDFs attached, and from there I set up a main folder called Med Student Mental Health and built subfolders like stress factors and coping strategies to keep everything super tidy. Adding color-coded tags made it also ridiculously easy to spot what mattered most in a short glance. Next, let's do an AI writing tools comparison. So with my sources in hand, I moved towards writing my first draft using both QuillBot Flow again and Logically Document Writer. So I began my draft in QuillBot Flow, and I noticed its all-in-one writing interface. It kind of reminded me of Microsoft Word in a way, which was great for familiarity. So once I started writing, it kept auto-suggesting lines that helped me over writer's block. I tested the generate content, add example, counter example features, and they helped me fill my outline with lots of ease, but all slightly lacked content research depth, and some of the examples were out of place. Overall, it was good to add filler sentences and finish last-minute assignments, but it didn't massively help me refine my research and analysis. Then I shifted to Logically Document Writer, and the change was quite refreshing. So for Logically, I started with its AI document writer. I clicked generate an outline with AI, and within seconds it built me an outline that actually gave me somewhere to start. Filling it in was the real test, but that's where Logically's AI autosuggest had my back. Every time I paused, it suggested the next line, and using my existing text as context, attaching a real and relevant citation from my library or an external academic source. Each source I used also dropped straight into an automatic bibliography, so no formatting was required, it just did it for me. And so for once, my writing felt like writing and not having to just format everything. And next, let's go into an annotating files comparison. Research means diving into lots of dense PDFs, so let's see what we can do. So QuillBot Flow lacked annotation features, which slightly hindered my active reading. The Explore Source feature redirected me to original web pages where I couldn't highlight or annotate text. There was also no AI assistant on standby to directly help me clarify complex concepts mentioned in research papers, meaning I had to pair it with ChatGPT and other AI tools, so there's not really an annotation feature. On the other hand, Logically makes annotation a game changer. Using Logically's file annotator, I highlighted statistic, added comments like perfect for discussion. It was super interactive and everything linked to the source, so I never lost track of its origin. I highlighted an intimidating graph, while I also dropped a note and asked the AI to explain the graph in plain terms. Okay, now that we went through all the features, let's get into costs. QuillBot is free to use and no credit card is required to sign up, but you can also upgrade to QuillBot Premium for $8.33 a month, billed annually with however, monthly is $19.95 a month. With Premium, you get unlimited paraphrasing, advanced grammar recommendations, you can humanize text in advanced mode, create custom summaries, have unlimited access to the AI detector, and prevent plagiarism. So it's basically all the basic features just unlimited. For Logically, there are two plans. Number one, it's free plan. Logically is completely free to use. No credit card is required to sign up. You get access to all features, and you actually get 5 queries a day, so you can like try out the features, see if you really like it or not. However, you can upgrade to the Logically Unlimited plan, which is $12 a month billed yearly, and the monthly option is $30 a month, but this gives you unlimited everything, unlimited access to all its features, unlimited storage, unlimited AI usage, and so many more premium features. And you can also receive a 10% discount or 50% if you sign up with a student email for a student discount on your first year of Logically Unlimited. As a student, 50% off of $12, that's $6 a month for unlimited storage, usage, everything. So now, which tool should you use? If you are someone who struggles with keeping track of sources and needs on-point citations, Logically will support you through your entire workflow, from the initial ideas in the research process all the way to the final draft. Now, if you're writing and you want some quick fixes, quick word replacements, and AI detection and last-minute edits, QuillBot is for you. In the end, Logically and QuillBot are both great research tools, and the choice between them really narrows down to your research needs. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you learned something. Make sure to like and subscribe for more AI comparison tool videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.